Now we're going to understand about the microwave signals. So what is its advantage and disadvantage? But now we understand its working, how it is used in the unguided media and for the communications purpose. And the microwave signal are used to transmit data without the use of cable. So we already know that that is unguided media. So without cable, it transmit the signals, and it is a line of sight transmission as a signal travels in a straight line. So how the signals are travels into the microwave? These are travel in a straight line, not in a wave format. Understand? Radio wave. It is transmit our signal into the wave format, but microwave signals are travel in a straight line. Clear? In microwave communication, two-directional parabolic antennas are mounted on tower, building or hills to send and receive signal through the air. So this is the antenna. Clear? This is parabolic antenna. With these antenna, signal are transmitted. Clear? And this distance up to 100 kilometers, means up to 100 kilometers the signal can travel without any effects. So they can travel up to 100 kilometer. After 100 kilometer you have to place antenna or receivers. Clear? And that these signals are travel in straight line. So you note down that definition up to here. Clear? Only these highlighted text you will note down, and you also draw the figure. Now we're going to understand the advantages of microwave signals. Clear? So microwave signals are avoid using cable and maintaining repeaters. So no needs are much repeaters because signals are travel up to 100 kilometers. So no needs any repeaters, and this is the wireless, so no need of cables. Communication through microwave is much easier over difficult training. So I think you all understood where we can place our wireless communication wireless medium in. It is very useful for hill stations, landslide area. Clear? So mainly it is used for the difficult terrain. Terrain means this is the place where is digging trench, means जहाँ पे खोदना या कहीं पर ऊबड़ खाबड़ जगह हो, ऐसी जगह को terrain बोला जाता है. Clear? So that is very useful for where. And next, microwave system permit data transmission rate of about 16 gigabyte per second. So up to 60 gigabytes we can easily transmit our signal. Clear? And I think you know today we are using Dish TV, Airtel, different types of cables. So these are provide you a microwave signals. Clear? So Dish TV, Tata Sky, Airtels, these all are using the what microwave signal. So if that particular antenna if disturbed, so you are not able to get the signal. Clear? So because the signals are travel in straight line, that's why. Now the disadvantages of microwaves are it is an insecure mode of communication. Why? Because all the wireless communication media are totally insecure. Clear? So it is an insecure mode of communication. Signal can be split and propagated in different directions in air and received by the receiver antenna with a reduced strength. Microwaves signals is affected by weather conditions such as rain, thunderstorm, etc. So all the wireless communication also affected with the rain, thunderstorm means weather effects are there. And the cost of the implementation tower antenna is repeatedly high compared to radio wave. So it is costly compared to radio wave. So it is using in industrial level, not a particular persons. So it is so much costly. So that's why it is used in business level. Companies are using that technology. Clear? So these are the definitions and advantages and disadvantages. So first you note down the definition. After this definition you also draw this figure and you also write the advantages and disadvantages.